day that we wed, you blessed us and said, my heavens bestow you grace. There in that holy place, we shared our first embrace. Our cottage was small, but richer than all, the palace of the king. All little birds would sing, our heart would fill with spring. Padre, Padre, what happened to our love so true? Padre, oh Padre, in my grief I turn to you. Then he came along and sang her song, and warmed with honey lies, he of the fairy eyes. Now it's not heard and cry, so I will pray the hours away, and weary my heart has grown, wondering where love has flown, counting my beats alone. Padre,